Hello everyone. 20 most commonly questioned words in management examinations is what the session is about. Let's test your vocabulary and see if you know the meanings of these 20 most commonly questioned words across examinations. Be it the CAT examination, be it IIFT examination, be it SNAP, be it NMAT, be it CMAT, be it Maharashtra CT. These are the 20 most commonly questioned words across the past 15 years papers. So guys, let's have a look, and you have to see whether you know the meanings of these words and whether you know the synonyms of these words. Come on, let's have a look at it. The first word is capricious, asked umpteen number of times in various management entrance examinations, especially the IIFT examination. Guys, when you say someone is capricious, what do you mean by someone who's capricious? Someone who is moody, someone who is unpredictable, जिसका जो मूड है वो चेंज होता जाता है. देयर आर सडन चेंजेस इन योर मूड स्विंग्स जो आप बोलते हो. So someone who is moody, someone who is unpredictable, someone who is mercurial. Yes, mercurial. Guys, remember कि जो mercurial person होता है is very temperamental, very moody, sudden changes in mood, sudden desires, sudden, very fickle-minded. So when you say fickle-minded, when you say moody, when you say unpredictable and mercurial, that's capricious. Come on, let's go to the next word. Incredulous. Cred. What is cred? Cred as a root word means belief. For example, credit, discredit, credible, incredible. What is incredulous? Guys, break down karo ise. In means not, correct? Cred means belief. Incredulous person is a person who does not believe others easily, is a person who does not trust others easily, is a person who is very suspicious, who doubts a lot, who's very suspicious, who doubts a lot, who does not repose his trust in people easily. और इसका opposite क्या होगा guys? इसका opposite होगा credulous. Okay, so when you say credulous person, very trusting nature, very gullible person, very बहुत ही innocent है, बहुत ही naive है, very gullible, easily लोगों पर विश्वास कर लेता है. And the opposite is incredulous, someone who does not trust others easily. Next one, unctuous. Guys, unctuous, okay, this is someone who, guys, makhan lagana. So it basically means someone who flatters a lot. Okay, a flattering person and obsequious person. Obsequious क्यों? Sequence मतलब follow. So जो पीछे पीछे चलता है, very oily, very greasy, very obsequious, butter करना, flatter करना, basically to display sycophantic behavior. So sycophancy. ये सारे हो गए इसके synonyms. So flattery, obsequious, buttering, unctuous, sycophancy. All of them mean makhan lagana. Ingenuous. Guys, gen का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by gen? Gen means birth, class or kin. So when you say an ingenuous person, birth. When you say birth, when you say childlike, it basically means someone who's very innocent. It basically means someone who's very naive. It basically means someone who can be easily fooled, who's a babe in the woods, does not know much about the big bad world. So guys, usko aap bologe an ingenuous person, someone who's very innocent, someone who's very naive, someone who's very childlike, someone who trusts people very easily, someone who's very gullible. Such a person is called as an ingenuous person. What is the opposite of this? Disingenuous. And disingenuous person is a very cunning person. A disingenuous person is a very crafty person. A disingenuous person is a very artful person. जो बहुत ही cunning है, जो बहुत ही malicious है, जो बहुत ही crafty है, artful है. Polyglot. Break it down. All you have to do is break it down. What is the meaning of poly? Poly means many. Polyglot is a person who can speak many languages, who knows, guys, multilingual. You're a polyglot, you can speak many languages. I'm sure guys, those who are watching this videos, as Indians especially, हम लोग को काफी मतलब सारे languages पता होते हैं, so we can call ourselves polyglot, someone who knows a lot of languages. So these were 5 words, guys. Come on, let's continue and let's test our vocabulary. Let's go to the next slide. Come on. Apocryphal, guys, asked several times. Those who have been giving the past year's previous year's papers while preparing for these examinations, you must have encountered this word a lot of time. Now again, break down the root word. Guys, vocabulary is all about root words. So apocryphal, what is the meaning of apo? Apo means away, correct? Apo means away. Apocryphal is something which is, for example, guys, an apocryphal account of an event. एक event हुआ था, सेंसेशन फैल गया सब जगह कि अरे बहुत बड़ी बहुत बड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा क्लैश हो गए थे, पीपल केम टू फिस्ट, दे केम टू ब्लोज, इट वाज a very very heated argument, and but guys this was a rumor spread around everywhere, but actually में ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Apocryphal basically मतलब is something which is of doubtful authenticity. Doubtful है कि पता नहीं, मतलब there's a story circulating, there is a rumor circulating and you say it's apocryphal. Apocryphal मतलब it's doubt, you're doubtful कि ये it's not genuine, it's not authentic, it's not real, it's fake, it's of doubtful authenticity. Okay, so that basically means apocryphal. Perspicacious, guys, who's a perspicacious person? Spic means see, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं perspective. A perspicacious person has a lot of perspective, he has a lot of insight into life. He's someone who's very wise, he's someone who's very sagacious, जो बहुत ही intelligent है, जो बहुत ही wise है, जो बहुत ही judicious है, जो बहुत ही learned है, जो एक nestor है. Nestor is a wise old man. So perspicacious person is a very wise person. Esoteric concept. What's an esoteric concept? An esoteric concept is an arcane concept. What is an arcane concept? What is an esoteric concept? It is a concept which is not, it's very specialized. हर कोई उसे नहीं समझ सकता है. It cannot be understood by everybody. It's not a layman's cup of tea. सबको समझ में नहीं आएगा. It's something which is highly specialized. It is something which is very technical. It is something which is very jargon based. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक लॉ जर्नल है, दैट्स एन ईसोटेरिक कॉन्सेप्ट. वो सिर्फ उनको समझ में आएगा जो लॉयर्स है या जो लीगल फील्ड से रिलेटेड है. सो दैट बिकम्स एन ईसोटेरिक कॉन्सेप्ट. समथिंग विच इज नॉट यूनिवर्सल, समथिंग विच इज नॉट कॉमन, जो बहुत ही स्पेशलाइज्ड है, जो बहुत ही जार्गन बेस्ड है. Insistent, guys, an insistent person is an indifferent person. An insistent person is a nonchalant person. उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. Does not care. Apathetic. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए guys, no feelings, nothing, you don't bother, it does not make a difference to you. You're indifferent about the suffering of the poor, it does not matter to you, you're not doing anything about it, you don't care about it. That's a negative attitude. So when you say an insistent person is a very, person who does not care, who does not bother, who does not bother his pretty little head about anything. Insistent person. Indifferent, nonchalant. Genuflect, guys, to genuflect before someone, bow down. Genuflect matlab झुकना. Genuflect matlab, like guys, go down on your knees, that is genuflect. So genuflect basically means to bow down. Okay, झुकना, किसी चीज के सामने submit करना, किसी चीज के सामने cede करना, to bow down before something or someone, that is called as genuflect. Chagrin. Chagrin, guys, humiliation बोल लो आप इसे. Okay, that is chagrin. Chagrin is basically embarrassment. That is chagrin. Chagrin is you're mortified. That is chagrin. Okay, embarrassment hai mixed with anger, humiliation, embarrassment. That is called as chagrin. A stentorian call. Stentorian is something which is very loud. Guys, ये एक eponym है. There's a story behind it. There's an entire mythology behind it. So when you say a stentorian call, it means something which is very loud. Very very loud, like a clarion call. When you say clarion call, very clear and very loud. Machiavellian, guys, I'm sure you must have come across this word, definitely. Machiavelli, Niccolo Machiavelli, Italy, the who wrote the book Prince. So Machiavellian strategy, guys, is Sam Dam Dand Bhed. Do whatever you want, by hook or by crook. You have to win, you have to achieve your goal. No means are immoral, no means are, nothing, guys. Sam dam dan bhed, hook or by crook, you have to achieve your goal, you have to achieve your target. That's what Niccolo Machiavelli believed in, and that's what a Machiavellian strategy is. Whatever it takes to achieve your goal. Euphemistic. When you say EU means good. I'm sure all of you know about it. So guys, euphemism is basically an inoffensive term. Euphemism is basically a milder word used to describe something which is harsh. Instead of saying that, you're fat, you can say you're healthy. Instead of saying she's very skinny or bony, you say she's very slim. That's a better way of saying it. That's a more positive connotation. Instead of saying disabled, no, we should say they're specially abled. So guys, inoffensive term, a more mild, a milder term, a better word for saying something, and the opposite of this becomes dysphemism. Dysphemism is the harsher word. Serendipity, guys, I'm sure you've watched the movie or you've heard about the movie, or if not, guys, do watch the movie. There's a movie I think John Cusack की film है guys, Serendipity. There's a cafe in New York which is called Serendipity. Guys, serendipity, for example, you met your life partner at in a by serendipity. Serendipity basically means, guys, lucky accident. So it was an accident, matlab it was not planned, it was not intentional, accidentally ho gaya, but ek acha. So guys, serendipity will be the opposite of mishap. Mishap is an unlucky incident, mishap is an unlucky accident, serendipity is a lucky accident. To repudiate someone's claim, repudiate karna matlab weaken karna, enervate karna, sap karna, cripple karna, all of these mean weaken. So repudiate someone's claim, it's the opposite of strengthening, it's the opposite of bolstering. Bolster karna, strengthen karna, invigorate karna, to make it robust. Repudiate is to make it weak, to enervate it, to sap it, to cripple it. Predilection, break down karo. Pre means before, lect means choice. So when you say predilection, guys, आपका झुकाव है उसके तरफ, that is what you choose, that is what you like, that is your preference, that is your liking, you have an affinity for it. So इसके synonyms हो गए affinity, इसका synonym हो गया likeness, इसका synonym हो गया proclivity. Okay, so you like it, you have a predilection for it, affinity, proclivity. Come on, guys, 17 words done. And trust me, across examinations, guys, especially when you see the previous year's papers, you will see these words featuring several times. Exacerbate, acer, sharp, severe. So guys, exacerbate the situation is to worsen the situation. Exacerbate the situation is to aggravate the situation. What is the opposite of exacerbate? What is the opposite of aggravate? Ameliorate. So to ameliorate is improvement or betterment. Exacerbate is worsening, aggravating the situation, making it severe. Consecrate, sacred basically means sacred. It means holy. So guys, consecrate your surroundings, make it holy, make it pure, make it pious. What is the opposite of consecrate? Desecrate. We are desecrating our environment. How? By throwing plastic everywhere. We are polluting it, we are corrupting it, we are making it unholy. So consecrate karna, usko holy banana. Desecrate karna is to make something unholy. Loquacious, guys, the root word itself is enough. You get several words based on loquacious. For example, grandiloquent ho gaya. So guys, LOQU basically means to talk. So when you say you're a loquacious person, you're a very garrulous person. You're a very talkative person. Grandiloquent, grand means big, loquent means talk. So to talk big, matlab badi badi baatein karna. Again, in a way to show off, to be pompous, to boast. So guys, loquacious is garrulous, talkative. Iska opposite, guys, hoga taciturn, because tacit means silent. Reticent. Reticent and taciturn basically means silent. Okay, guys, so this was a dose of 20 most commonly questioned words, and trust me, guys, done a lot of effort to actually find these words across papers which are repeated several times. So please make sure that before the examination that you're planning to write next, up in 20 words ke meaning zarur revise karo or check karo ki do you remember and do you know the meanings of these words or not. I've tried and given you synonyms, guys, in the short span. आप और synonyms ढूंढो, आप और antonyms ढूंढो, इसी से हमारी vocabulary बढ़ेगी. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Press the like, share and subscribe button and keep learning, keep revising, guys. Please make sure that you're going through these words again and again. Join the group, guys, Unacademy_Ritu Dudhoria for more such videos, for more such links, for more such guidance. Special classes attend karo on the Unacademy Learning app. I meet you daily at 8 p.m. on the special classes. These are free classes. All you have to do is use the code Ritu MBA, guys, to unlock the free plan. Take the free test, take the free quizzes, join the plus subscription, guys, using the code Ritu MBA. Join batches, full-fledged batches have been launched wherein vocabulary, grammar, critical reasoning, reading comprehension, verbal reasoning, para jumbles, odd one out, be it LR, be it DI, be it quantitative aptitude, be it your GDPI, VAT, preparation, everything, guys, and any number of batches. You can sit in. ये नहीं कि आपने एक बैच में एडमिशन लिया, आप सिर्फ उसी बैच के क्लासेस अटेंड करो, आप सिर्फ उन्हीं एजुकेटर्स के क्लासेस करो जो आपको असाइन हुआ है. There's nothing called assigning here. It's all about choice. It's your choice. which educator you want to follow. It's your choice. Which batches, and if you want to choose all batches, choose all batches. It's a flexible model, guys. You're not going to find it anywhere. So please make sure that you take the plus subscription using the code Ritu MBA or KOE code name, guys. You're going to be on this wall. Your face is going to be on this wall. Unacademy Champions League, guys, alternate Sundays 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Lots of scholarships to be won, lots of prizes to be won. Press the like, share, and subscribe button. Ritu MBA all the way. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye bye.